It's Alex Borden with Havens Luxury Metals. Just wanted to do a quick little tutorial today to tell you how to join our Havens Pro account network. So here you click on information, and then you click on Havens Pro accounts, and then it would bring you to this page. So first off, you would tell us a little bit about yourself, what affiliation you're from, some of the products you're interested in getting more information about, how you heard about us, and then also your shipping address for us to send you your Pro Pack. Your Pro Pack includes dimensions, pricing, and also samples. For marketing and SEO purposes, you would have an opportunity to have your website on our website to increase traffic to your website. This opportunity includes exclusive discounts to our products, commission opportunities, and also 24/7 customer service with Alex Havens. So that pretty much wraps it up. If you have any questions about our products or our pro network, feel free to give us a call or email us at info@havensmetal.com. If you'd like to request a quote here, and you can instantly request a quote. And then if you're interested in our sync buying guide, just type in your email address and we'll send you a free guide. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching.